the world's fastest G2 Master is getting upgraded again. Oh my god! Oh my god! This shit is so fast! Wow! If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikerise.com. Link in the description. This is the world's fastest G2 Master, and today is gonna get upgraded. The world's fastest G2 Master is gonna be even faster. Oh boy, this is the last ride with the G2 Master on a single motor. I think tomorrow my Vesk will arrive. Right now, we are going to get some parts for a project I have. Something really cool. Something no one in the e-scooter scene on YouTube has done before. That will be one of my toughest projects ever. But the G2 Master will fly on dual motor. I got 91 km/h on single motor. And also I think I should change my headset bearings because I checked my headset. I wanted to measure the bearings and stuff because I wanna do some modifications in there. And I kinda have to change the bearings because yeah, they're kinda crunchy, but like the steering feels good. Well, it's understandable. I never did maintenance on the headset. Yo, also, I made myself some new deck risers out of a better material. And they are a little taller to fit my battery. Because it's a little taller since I changed the BMS. Like, I changed the BMS and I changed the wiring slightly. And it's now, the battery is a little taller. And also, I've routed the battery wires to here. It's much cleaner like this than having extensions coming out of there. I think it's gonna start raining. So let's go, let's hurry up and get the parts for the project. Look at that! It has started raining! It's raining and I don't have a rear fender. I'm getting splashed, brother.
A few inches later.
Oh boy, the world's fastest G2 Master is getting upgraded again. I got the second red Vesk, bro. Look at this shit, bro. It's massive. It's as big as my hand. So what I did is I soldered massive 10mm bullet connectors on it. And I also put cable sleeves on it. Look at this. This looks nice. Let's put it in. Alright. So, first of all, box is open. I'm gonna mount the other Vesk right here at the bottom. Let's plug it in the battery first. Positive goes to positive, negative goes to negative. Okay, let's put the screws in. Now the bolts on the other side. Just get them tight. Now this is the temperature sensor wire for the front motor, which goes in there. Yep, this is the CAN wire which connects both of the Vesks together. Alright, and the 3 motor phase wires. Okay, let's close the box back up. It's basically done. Okay, so let's turn it on. Oh yeah! And now, if I give it throttle. I deadass forgot to connect the throttle. Oh my days. Now it's fine. Okay, so now, if I turn it on, now the throttle should work. Oh yeah, these red Vesks are insane, bro. Let's go take this scooter for a spin. The G2 Master has dual motor now. God damn it, pulls. I have been waiting so long for this day, bro. The G2 Master is finally back in business. Yeah, now with spinted controllers. Not a maker base. But legit, I just woke up. I've been staying up until 5 AM with joy on wheels to build something. Literally 5 AM. You're gonna see on his video. I'm so tired. Oh yeah, bro, he's pushing with the high boy. Oh yeah, bro, it just does a burnout. I think I might have made this scooter too powerful. Nah, it's gonna be even stronger once I modify my frame and change my motors. I'm gonna modify my frame. You're gonna see I'm working on some crazy ass project right now. I won't say what it is yet. I'm just gonna say I will modify my G2 Master frame. God damn, it's so hot outside. This weather sounding like... Yo, hold on. Let me do it. Okay. Oh yeah, I can't ride that fast with one hand. This scooter is too fast, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, this shit is so fast. Yeah, at this kind of speed, the brakes have to also be good, because if they are not, you're gonna stop in the first car. They can't keep up with the G2 Master, it's too strong. We just ate food. We just ate KFC. Now I'm gonna actually pick up my GoPro battery. If you remember, I said my GoPro battery died and I brought it into warranty. Well, I'm gonna go pick it up. So, killing two birds with one stone. Like, also testing the G2 Master. You gotta come outside with the Grandpa Mobile again, bro. But the Grandpa Mobile is so tough. It's quite hot outside, isn't it? This is better than freezing to death. But the G2 Master is back alive. I just spent $400 on controllers. I'm just pushing the throttle. Bro, having dual motor again is so nice. Holy pothole, brother. Romania roads quality. This scooter is perfect for modding. Soon enough, I will be able to mount huge motors because I'm gonna modify the frame. This G2 Master is gonna fly. I mean, it's flying already. I'm expecting like 150 kilometers per hour. Quite a lot in it. Okay, come on. Let's see what the GPS says. Okay, still 116 is the top speed. That was a crazy top speed in it. The G2 Master is quite fast, I would say. Holy shit. This is what you need in life, bro. A powerful scooter. Craziest G2 Master, bro. Look, this is why you need an e-scooter. To push people. We are flying, bro. Oh lord, imagine hitting that at speed. When you ride like lightning, you're gonna crash like thunder. Let's go get the GoPro battery. Hey, I got the GoPro battery from the warranty. We're gonna see if it actually works. Look at this, brother. It's a MacBook. I'm gonna get one soon enough, because it's like 2,000 euros, and I'm not gonna get this one. I'm gonna get a better one, actually. The one I want is like 5,000 euros. This one has the M5 Pro. I wanna get the M5 Max. That's tougher. But what are these scooters, bro? Oh, wait. My friend had one of these, the Mirias. You know what he did to it? Literally, these things broke. They look solid, but they are hollow on the inside, and the metal is like 1 millimeter thick. This is weak, bro. Don't ever get this Miria. It's also limited to 25, but it pulls hard though. Oh yeah, or Vesk one of these. It's like 200 euros. Nah, bro, I'ma Vesk this one because it has flowers on it. This is gonna be the sleeper build. So, GoPro battery acquired. Everyone's default setting is to check the gas prices and be like, God damn, bro, gas is expensive. Just barely tapping the throttle launches you. Bro, these red Vesks are insane. If you wanna build a crazy scooter, just buy these. Using my discount code, of course. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Imagine I push you 100 kilometers per hour. Your bike would disassemble. Brake, brake! Ooh! Ooh! That was so close. Oh yeah, I bet that bike never went this fast before. My battery is full. This should be the perfect run. Maybe I'll get over 130.
Oh my god, bro.
Right now I'm running lower power just so I don't overheat my motors until we get there. When we get there, I'm gonna go insane power and we're gonna test the top speed. My headset is so tight right now, it's literally impossible to get a death wobble. And with these handlebars, yeah, it's literally impossible. And by the way, like, I've seen people say I have 780mm handlebars and stuff like that. These are 810mm handlebars actually. God damn, bro. It's a Lamborghini Revuelto. Looks so good IRL, bro. But it's not going fast because the roads are trash here. Look. Oh! Leave it there, leave it there. If you take it out, it's gonna deflate. No, it's not flat yet. Oh man, the high boy has something in the tire. Come on. Holy power. Holy shit. What? What? Look at this, bro. 127 kilometers per hour on GPS, by the way. Let's do it again. Oh my days. No. Power cut. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Wow! Bro, I legit tried 2 runs and couldn't get GoPro GPS to work, bro. Don't ever get no GoPro. Anyway, this scooter was insanely fast. Like, it's so scary, bro. Soon enough, I'm gonna modify my frame and I'm gonna change my motors. This shit's gonna be insane, brother. Until then, stay tuned.